Hello students, today we are going to start 2.6 exercise of class 8. Okay, so see, here is no word problem given in first and fourth question up to fourth question. So what we have to do in first number question, 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equals to 2. This is given here. The term is in fractional form, but here 2 is all alone. So we know that if denominator is not given, we can place 1 in the denominator. So the first thing, if denominator is missing, we have to place 1 in the denominator. Okay, now here also fractional form, here also fractional form. What we have to do next, we have to cross multiply the terms. 8x minus 3 multiplied by 1 and 3x multiplied by 2. Okay, now when we multiply anything with 1, same number we will get as resultant. So here it is 8x minus 3. Now 3 multiplied by 2, 6, and x as it is. Okay. Now here you can see this is a variable and this is also a variable. How to solve this equation next? We have to transpose variable one side and constant other side. So transposing 6x to LHS side and 3 to RHS side. Okay. So this 6x will become minus 6x and this 3 will become plus 3 after transposing. 8x minus 6x, how many x remaining left? 2x remaining left, equal to 3. Now this 2 and x both are in multiplication. So this 2 will go in divide. So what is the answer of x? Answer of x is 3 by 2. Same thing you have to do in question number 3 and second. Now let us move towards question number 4. See what is given in question number 4. Now let us see question number 4. What is given in question number 4? 3y minus 4 upon 2 minus 6y equal to minus 2 by 5. Now here both side fractional form is given. So what we have to do? We have to cross multiply the terms. Okay, 5 has to be multiplied with 3y minus plus 4 and minus 2 has to be multiplied with 2 minus 6y. Now see what we have to do. 5 3s are how much? 15y as it is. Positive sign as it is. And here 5 4s are how much? 20. Okay, equal to sign. 2 into 2 how much? 4. And here is minus 2. So minus sign will also come along with. Now minus and minus becomes plus and 2 6 are how much? 12 and y as it is. Okay. Now here you can see this is a variable and this is also a variable. This is one constant and this is also one constant. So next thing which we have to do is transposing variable one side and constant other side. So transposing 12y to LHS side and 20 to RHS side. Now see 15y minus 12y equal to minus 4 minus 20. Okay. Now 15 minus 12, how many y remaining left? Only 3y remaining left. Minus minus gives us plus, but we write it minus. So 20 plus 4 gives us 24 and minus sign along with that. So 3y is equals to 24. Now this 3 and y both are in multiplication. So what we have to do? We have to transpose this 3. So 3 will go and divide. 3 8s are how much? 24 and minus sign along with that. So what is the value of y in question number 4? Value of y is minus 8. Now question 6 is a word problem. See what is given in question number 6. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio of 5:7. Okay. So I have told you whenever ratio is given in word problem, to convert it into quantity, simply multiply it with any variable. So ratio is given 5:7. So I have multiplied x along with 5 and along with 7. So now it will convert it into quantity. Means we can take Hari's percentage as 5x and Harry's percentage as 7x. Okay. Now next thing, what is given in question? That 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their percentages. 4 years from now. After 4 years means percentage of Hari is 5x. We have to add 4 years from now. Means 4 years later. Same thing we have to do in Harry's age. That what is Harry's percentage? That is 7x. And 4 years from now, what is age of Harry? That is 7x plus 4. Okay. Now in question, according to question, what is given? Ratio of their ages after 4 years is 3:4. Okay. So ratio can be written in the form of fraction also. So 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4 equal to 3 by 4. Now both the sides we are having fractional form. So we can cross multiply the terms. Means 5x plus 4 has to be multiplied with 4 and 7x plus 4 will multiply with 3. So what we will get? 4 5s are how much? 20x, 4 4s are 60. And this side 3 7s are 21 and 3 4s are 12. Okay. Now here you can see 20x and 21x both are variable. 16 and 12 both are constant. So what we will do? We will transpose variable one side and constant other side. So transposing 21x to LHS and 16 to RHS. This will become minus 21x and this will become minus 16. 20x minus 21x, which one is greater? 21 is greater and this is carrying negative sign. So answer is minus 1x, or we can say x. Here again 16 is a greater number and that is carrying negative sign. So 12 minus 16 or 16 minus 12 becomes 4. Both side minus and minus, we can cancel out minus and minus terms. So what is remaining left? Remaining left is 4. Now this is the value of x. But we know that ages of Hari and Harry is not x. Hari's age is 5x and Harry's age is 7x. So 5x means 5 into 4, which means 20 years, age of Hari. And Harry's age means 7x, which means 7 into 4, 28 years. So what is age, present age of Hari and Harry? The present age of Hari and Harry is 20 years and 28 years. Now let us move towards question number 7. What is given in question number 7? The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Okay. We don't know what is the denominator and what is the numerator, but it is given in the question that denominator is 8 more than the numerator. So numerator is unknown quantity. Let us assume numerator be x. And in question it is given that denominator is 8 more than the numerator. So what will be our denominator? Denominator will become numerator plus 8. See, next what is given? If the numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 1, then the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. If the numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 1, the rational number or the ratio will become 3 by 2. Okay. So see, here we have increased 17 in numerator and decreased 1 in denominator. X plus 17 as it is. Here, when we open the bracket, x plus 8, this will become minus 1 and 3 by 2. Now, x plus 17 as it is, 8 minus 1 how much? 7. X plus 17 upon x plus 7 equal to 3 by 2. Next step, what we have to do, we have to cross multiply the terms. 2 with x plus 17 and 3 with x plus 7. See here, 2 multiplied by x, 2x, 2 multiplied by 17, 34. 3 multiplied by x, 3x and 3 multiplied by 7, 21. Here you can see this is a variable, this is also a variable, and this is a constant and this is also a constant. So moving towards next step, transposing constant one side and variable other side. So let us transpose 2x to RHS side and 21 to LHS side. So 34 minus 21, as we have transposed 21 to LHS side, and 2x to RHS means 3x minus 2x. 34 minus 21 gives us 30 and 3x minus 2x equal to x. Now let us see what we have assumed in starting. X is our numerator, so what is the value of x? Value of x is 30. And denominator is how much more than numerator? Denominator is 8 more than numerator. So our numerator is 13, so denominator will become 13 plus 8. It means 21. So both the values we are having, numerator 13, denominator 21. So what rational number we will obtain here? The obtained rational number is 13 by 21. So this is how we have completed exercise 2.6 and we have completed our chapter 2 also of class 8. So I hope you all got the concept which I have explained in this video, and thank you for watching this video.